Hello and welcome all to AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss what is partial differentiation and how to find a partial derivative. So a partial derivative of a function of several variables is just like an ordinary derivative with respect to one variable, keeping all other variables as constant. The partial differentiation is the process of finding the partial derivative. Let z be a function of two independent variables x and y. So z is a function of two variables x and y. We can find the partial derivative of z with respect to x and with respect to y separately. The derivative of z with respect to x treating y as constant is called as the partial derivative of z with respect to x, and it is denoted by the symbol da by z by da by x. If z is denoted by the function f of xy, then this same notation can be used as da by f by da by x. Da by f by da by x is given by this limit. In this limit, we can see that there is change in x but y is kept as constant. A real life example of this can be observed when a gas is closed in a closed container where a certain temperature and certain pressure is applied to the gas. So here the volume of the gas depends on the temperature and the pressure applied on the container. If we have to study the change in temperature keeping pressure as constant, or the change in pressure keeping temperature as constant, then we can do this by the partial derivatives. Similarly, the derivative of z with respect to y keeping x as constant is called the partial derivative of z with respect to y, and it is denoted by da by z by da by y or da by f by da by y. This da by f by da by y is given by this limit. Here y is changing and x is kept as constant. Now we are going to study some examples to show that how to find the partial derivative. So we have to find the partial derivative da by w by da by x and da by w by da by y, where this w is given as e raised to x into cos y. Here we can observe that the function w is dependent on two variables x and y. So w is the function of several variables. To find da by w by da by x, we have to keep the function which contains y as constant, and we have to differentiate w with respect to x. So this can be written as, so we can take cos y as constant. We have to treat the function of y as constant and differentiate the terms which contains x. So we have to differentiate with respect to x e raised to x. Now this, we know that the derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So this is given by cos y e raised to x, and we can write as e raised to x into cos y. So da by w by da by x is e raised to x cos y. Similarly, if we have to find the derivative of w with respect to y keeping x as constant, then that is given by da by w by da by y, which is equals to, so we have to treat the functions of x as constant, so we treat e raised to x as constant and we differentiate with respect to y whatever the function remaining of y. So this can be written as e raised to x as it is. The derivative of cos y is minus sin y, so we can write this as e raised to minus e raised to x into sin. So da by w by da by y is minus e raised to x into sin y. Now we consider the second example in which you can see the function f is a function of 4 independent variables. So it is not always necessary that function will be a function of 2 variables. It is also possible that the function can be dependent on more than 2 variables. So we have to find the partial derivative of f with respect to each independent variable. So we have to find da by f by da by x, da by f by da by y, da by f by da by z, and da by f by da by w, because our function depends on these 4 variables. So we will solve one by one. So first, da by f by da by x. So when we find the partial derivative of f with respect to x, we will treat all other functions as constant. So we will treat all other functions as constant, and we will just differentiate this function with respect to x. So this is equals to e raised to 2y plus 3z cos of 4z. Derivative of x square is 2x. So this can be written as 2x e raised to 2y plus 3z cos of 4w. So da by f by da by x is equals to 2x e raised to 2y plus 3z cos of 4w. Similarly, da by f by da by y will be equal to, so we have to treat all other functions as constant, and we have to differentiate only with respect to y. So this x square, this e raised to 2y plus 3z, that I can write as e raised to 2y plus 3z can be written as e raised to 2y into e raised to 3z. So this e raised to 3z we can take as function of z, and we can take that outside. So e raised to 3z cos of 4w, and we just differentiate with respect to y e raised to y. This is equals to x square e raised to 3z cos of 4w. Now derivative of e raised to 2y with respect to y is e raised to 2y into 2. So this is equals to 2, this 2 is written here, x square e raised to 3z e raised to 2y cos of 4w, and this together we can write as 2x square e raised to 3z plus 2y into cos of 4w. Similarly, we can find da by f by da by z, and so da by f by da by z will be same as, similar to da by f by da by y, I can find da by f by da by w. So da by f by da by w, da by f by da by w is given as, so all other functions will be kept as constant. So x square e raised to 2y plus 3z into da by w of cos 4w. So this is equals to x square e raised to 3z plus 2y. Derivative of cos 4w is minus 4 sin 4w. So da by f by da by w is equals to minus 4 x square e raised to 3z plus 2y to sin of 4w.